Congratulations to all of you, to Google team and the Pakistan team. It's a wonderful day, a great day in our partnership. I think it's a stepping stone towards a long journey of contributing, in a field which is very attractive, and it is in fact the core of the day. We will empower our youth through this wonderful modern tools, techniques, and technology. And I'm thankful to Vice President Wilson for visiting Pakistan. And this is going to be his visit, which will then convert into, I think, dozens of visits to this country every year. And I think this partnership will blossom like a wonderful, beautiful flower. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Almost.